The Sights and Sounds of Christmas Foundation hosted their annual Christmas festival last weekend to help spread some holiday cheer to San Marcos and the surrounding communities. There were plenty of unique sights and sounds for all ages to experience, including several light displays, carnival rides, reindeer games, live music performances, and of course, a visit from jolly old St. Nicholas himself. Kiralana Klingel, a first-time volunteer at Sights and Sounds, said her favorite part of the event is helping kids draw pictures and write their letters to Santa.
This is actually my first year, but I think so far it's actually been getting to sit here with kids and write letters. And some of them were like, hey, can you draw pictures with me? So getting to draw pictures with them has just been really fun. And how grateful the parents are, that's also really great. So it's just been an overwhelming response.
Rhonda Latham, who's worked the festival since 2013, described the reason that she loves coming back to Bethlehem every year.
I mean, we put it up every year, make this town be as authentic as we can make it. We try to get everybody that volunteers to come and wear period outfits and be as authentic as possible because we want the story of Jesus to go out into the world.
Every year, the Sights and Sounds of Christmas Festival begins the week after Thanksgiving and runs Wednesday through Saturday from 5 to 11 p.m. each night for 2 consecutive weeks at the San Marcos City Park. Wishing you a happy holiday season. For Texas State Multimedia, I'm Ashley Osco.